Hi everyone, Sinan from Car Inspected here. Today we're just installing the wiring for the front headlight level sensor. I just got an aftermarket level sensor which did not come with these nuts, by the way, and it didn't come with that piece of that piece of metal, and I had to thread I had to cut new thread for this bolt here because that control arm did not come with a threaded hole. So I got this from a junkyard, and that assembly came together, but the nuts did not come with the assembly, so I had to buy them, and obviously the wire did not come either with the assembly, so I had to make sure that I grab one that matches with the same hole, with the same pins. So this one has pin 1, pin 4, and pin 5 that are in use. So front right, pin 1, pin 4, and pin 5. I'm going to be changing the colors, obviously, because I did change the colors of these wires. So I have a white, yellow, and black. So it's white with a black line, yellow, and a black wire. And I'll assign them to the correct pins here. So the yellow is pin 1. No, the yellow is pin 4, sorry. The white and black is pin 1, and then the black is pin 5. And then I'm just going to use some silicone lubricant just to lubricate the rubber seal here, and then I would install, and then I would tape this. I've already taped to the 3 wires, you can see them here, and I'm going to be insulating this a little bit more, the butt splices, and then I will be taping a second time over this, so I'll overlap here, and then I'm going to run them along this line, which goes, sorry, it's there, and if you notice, it goes right here, and then I'll probably get them to about maybe here, and then I'll probably I don't know which one would be safer. I think it would be safer if I just go from here directly up, so like so. That way I'll avoid the headlight assembly when it goes in. I've already put the ground wire for pin 4 for the headlights there, and I've put in another ground wire for the driver's side as well, just to make things a little bit easier when I get to them. For now, we'll just keep going. I'm wiring them up to this point. You can see from a previous episode I've run the wires from the SIM area, or the central electronics module, all the way to here, and I just stored them on the side. I might actually use a conduit, which I got here. So I'll be using that on top of the tape, just to give it a more original look. And bought this because the the conduits here for the spark plugs were deteriorating, so I wanted to do a session just to recover them, or at least tape them and protect them. The fender liner was really easy to remove. Some T25 bolts here and here, and there is a 10 mil plastic and a 10 mil plastic here. One of them broke, so this is one of them, and the one that broke is this one. I'll see if I can replace it. I do have one from a BMW, so I might use it. And that's it. I just wanted to show you today's progress. I hope this helps someone out there. I will be doing the shock soon, so I'm gonna have to remove this. This has never been removed. I attempted to remove it. You can see the scratches there on the bolt, but I think I'm better off using heat, because I'm going to be changing the shocks soon as well. So when changing the shocks, obviously you'd want to disconnect just the bottom, which is a 10 mil nut, self-locking nut, and you can continue the work of the shock replacement, I believe, without much impact. If worst case scenario, I'll just remove the two bolts from here and just let this uninstall or remove this completely, just in case anything hits it or anything like that. Well, I hope this helps someone out there, and yeah, we'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.